Hi, I'm Mr. Kangas, and today we're going to take a look at Chapter 12, Section 1, Stem and Leaf Plots. There are two types of stem and leaf plots you're going to see, and we're going to start with the simpler one and move on to the more complicated but still simple one. So the first type of stem and leaf plot you're going to see is going to look like this. You're going to have your stem, and your leaves are over here. So basically this is how you organize your data. So let's say your data ranges from 0 to 48 or something like that. If you wanted to write your data down on a stem and leaf plot, okay, you have your stem and your leaf. Let's say you had to put in the number 4. You would put a 4 here. Let's say you had 4 twice. You write another 4, then you had a 7, and a 9. So you have 0, 4, which is 4, 0, 4, 0, 7, 0, 9. So we have the numbers 4, 4, 7, and 9. Let's say you had 15, 18. So we have 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 8, 18. So we have a 4, 4, 7, 9, 15, 18. Go with 23, 26, 26, 26, 32, 35, 37, 41, 41, 42, 45, 48. So this is a stem and leaf plot. Just a simple way to write down your numbers. Basically, it eliminates the need to write the number in the tens place multiple times. So you don't have to write the 4 and 41, 41, 42, 45, and 48. Just write the 4 once. So it saves you a little bit of effort. It also gives you a good visual so that you can look at your data and you can kind of see where the clumps are. You can see very easily that the 40s had the most numbers in it and the teens had the least. So you can get kind of like a visual of how your data is distributed. If you want to compare two sets of data, this is the second type of stem and leaf plot. So let's say, okay, here's data set 1. Then what you would do to compare two sets of data, so we're on the left side, here's data set 2. And again, just write your numbers over here. So we'd have a 4, 7, 8, 8. Can go with a, if you want, you can put little lines to help separate things. You don't have to, but you can. Okay, so now you can compare your two sets of data. You can compare the 40s for both sets, so you can just take like kind of like an overview, take a look at the left side, take a look at the right side. You can see if, you know, one set of data tends to be more bottom heavy where the other one's more top heavy. You may notice that maybe both sets of data look identical or similar, or both sets of data are low in the same area. Maybe, you know, they're both low in the teens and 20s, but really strong in the 30s and 40s. There's all kinds of different things you can observe about the data in a stem and leaf plot. So the reasoning for using a stem and leaf plot is to really get a good visual of your data. And that's really all there is to stem and leaf plots. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Next video will be on Chapter 12, Section 2.